In this video, the Jeep gets painted and bed lined. Alright guys, so as you saw by the time lapse, we got this Jeep painted. Looks super nice. You can still see a little orange peel. I still got to wet sand this, so it's not perfect yet, but it looks so nice now. Nice and on the camera it looks kind of green, but it's actually a, kind of this bluish green, so like a teal. Let me see if I can get you see. That one shows a little bit better. That's more the color. I don't know how much you guys saw because my camera stopped recording, so I might only have like a minute or two of the time lapse for this. So hopefully I got some of it. But as you could see, bodywork was not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. I mean, even this like right here, you couldn't see this when it was below, when it was just primed, but with the paint you can really see it. But yeah, it looks a lot better. I'm also going to bed line this. I'm probably going to do it in this video because I'm going to do it while this is still curing. It's only been about 4 hours and it needs about 16 hours to cure. So this is the paint we use. We kind of spilled a little because it was kind of hard to use, but it was a Chrysler color. The brand code is 41480. The OEM code is DT7121, and it's called Banner Green. I don't know why they would call it Banner Green, because it's more blue, but you know, it's Chrysler. So we only used about half of this, but I mean, it's better to get this full one. So this is actually a single stage coat. And you could see that it actually looks really good. I was very surprised by a single coat paint would actually look like this. But I mean, it looks very, very well. And I only have one run. So you can see right there. I mean, you barely could see that too. But you know, that actually can pop out because that's for the snorkel. There's the dash. It's the same color, so I think it will, you know, blend in just with the Jeep quite well. Most people usually paint these Jeep colors this color, or the color of the body. So, I mean, it does look very good. And also the back side of the windshield. We just have it popped up by a 2x3 right now on the window, so we don't actually touch it. As you can see, there's quite a bit of orange peel. It's not that bad, but you know, I still got to do some of it. It's probably the worst on the hood, which is kind of a bummer, as you can't really, I mean, I guess you can see a reflection, but you could see that it's all just bubbly. So I'm going to take a couple pictures of here before I wet sand, just to show you like maybe some places I probably could have done better, kind of like this spot, and some spots I just think are like pretty good that I probably don't even need to do anything else to them. And as you could also kind of tell, I got a lot of overspray. Probably should have taped it, but I mean, I felt like it would be easier just to tape off this and then spray paint this black again. All right, guys, so we have decided not to wet sand until we put the frame back underneath it. We just thought it would be a better idea, but we're gonna be using this Rust-Oleum truck bed liner. You can get it pretty cheap from Walmart. And we're just gonna dab in the paint from, you know, hard spots we can't reach, like all underneath and kind of close to the edges. And then we have a roller that we're just going to roll out the rest of the bed liner. So let's get to it. I just finished up dabbing everything. As you can see, got all the edges that, you know, are hard to get with a roller. But now I'm going to hit it with the roller, try to get the rest. You got to do 2 coats of the dabbing and the roller. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so I got the first coat rolled on. As you can see, there's still a little bit of green underneath it, but I mean, that should be covered up by the second coat. You can see I missed a little bit right there. I couldn't get it with the roller and I didn't hit it with the brush. So, I mean, I'm gonna have to hit it next time. It's not too active of an area right there, but I'm still gonna hit it with 2 coats. But I gotta wait an hour or 2 to let this dry, so I'll be back in about an hour or 2 for the second coat. All right, guys, so we finished off the bed liner and looks pretty good. You can even see the tailgate we did on the back. Looks really good. And this is kind of a sneak peek for probably next episode, as you might be thinking of what we're doing. Give you some hints. All right, but that's going to be the end of the episode. I hope you all enjoyed. Tell me if you like the paint color. I actually really like the paint color. It looks really good. We're going to stand out quite well because, you know, no one really drives around in this color. So, but I hope you guys all have a good rest of your day. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and goodbye.